Hey, coaches, what's up? What's up? I am so excited about this month's Dump for You coaching bundle, all around virtual summits for beginners. In this Dump for You coaching bundle, we're going to talk about the 20 secrets on how to host, plan, and launch a virtual summit for your business. Y'all know that I'm always excited to share with you new and awesome coaching content that you can share with your audience. So let's go ahead and take a deep dive and show you what's all included inside of this month's Done For You coaching bundle. All right. So here we go. All right. So you guys know that I love to talk about the research of behind everything. So let me give you guys a little bit a bigger view of this. So here's the research, right? So in the research, I did a Google search for those of you who are, members who've been in the group for a while, and then my new members, this might be new to you. So let me explain. I do a Google search using the keywords for this month's bundle. And so you're going to see virtual conference is one of the things that I search for, as well as virtual summits. The two are interchangeable. And as a Google search, you can see that conferencing video, free video conferencing, virtual meetings, meeting virtually. You've got over 1,600 searches per month for this keyword. So the reason why I like to share these keywords with you are these are keywords that you can use in your titles. These are keywords that you can talk about when you are sharing this new masterclass in social media, all of those type of things. These are the type of keywords that you can use to help you with your titles and as for your social media conversation posts. I also like to go and look for books that are in Amazon. If you do not know already, right? Amazon is the third biggest search engine. Third. So you got Google, you got YouTube, and now you have Amazon. And so if there is a book written about this topic, then this is a hot topic. And so I was able to find two books. I was able to find a whole lot more, but I pulled these two books out, and you got these two books that are on Amazon right now doing very well, which is Standout Virtual Events on How to Create an Experience that your audience will love. So virtual events and conferences are very, very popular. And with building your brand and getting clients. I have this book by Michael Frankenberg. Y'all know I would tell some names and I probably just messed up his name. So if he's watching or he may be inside the group, you never know. Then excuse me if I messed your name up. And so here's another book called Mastering Online Meetings, 52 Tips to Engage Your Audience and Get the Best Out of Your Virtual Meetings. Okay. So I also did a little diving because I told you YouTube is the second biggest search engine as well. Okay. Amazon, you got Google, Amazon, and YouTube. So YouTube is number 2. I found these 2 videos right now that are killing it with sharing content and teaching people on how to do virtual conferences. So you have this, which one is Virtual Conferences Made Easy. This is how to host a virtual conference, which is what your training is all about. She has 3.1 thousand views on this, and this was about 5 months ago. So with you guys watching this video, this will be about 6 months ago. You also have another video on how to host a virtual event, how to host a virtual event, tips for the most profitable events online. And this young lady has over 6,000 views, and that was 5 months ago. With you guys, this was 6 months ago. Okay. So you can do a search on this, and you probably by the time you go search for these YouTube videos, they're going to have a whole lot more views on them as well. So that's the background research on how you can use this masterclass, this bundle, this Done For You bundle in your business as well. So you know that this is hot topic. I always give you industry trends, things that are really hot right now. And so this is one topic that is really hot in the coaching industry in the virtual conference world as well. So let's go in and take a little look to the next. All right. So these are December dates and post ideas. So if you want to tie your they're bundled with these holidays, quote holidays, then you can do that as well. So you've got December 7th, which is Letter Writing Day. You've got December the 10th, which is Human Rights Day. December the 26th, which is Kwanzaa. This is the first day of Kwanzaa. Kwanzaa runs for 7 days. So this is the first day of Kwanzaa. And then you got December the 31st, which is Make Up Your Mind Day. So these are just fun little holidays that you can use to tie in your promotions with, because people notice these and they think this is a very fun way so that you can really show up in other people's feeds, especially if you use the hashtags. Now, of course, I did not include Christmas in here. Whatever day, I didn't include Christmas Eve because that's, to me, it is self-explanatory. I didn't have to include that, right? Y'all should know that. Or if not, I mean, I didn't include, there's probably another holiday I didn't include, which is typically a normal holiday that we see. All right, so let's take a deep dive into this packet. I'll give you a bigger view. A deep dive into this packet. Right now, in this Done For You package on virtual conference, how to host a virtual conference for the beginners, you've got 35 slides that come with this presentation. So this is a masterclass that you can use as a free training or paid training. You also get a 4-page resource guide that I misspelled. I think I had a mishap on the last month as well. Excuse me on that, but that K does not belong there. But there's a 4-page resource guide. And this time, this is resources that people are going to need to set up their virtual conferences or summits. So this is a great way if you already have like an affiliate account with, let me give you a little bit more face. If you guys have an affiliate account with Amazon, then you can actually put your own affiliate link in this document so that when people go click on it and buy it, then you get a small commission price. So if you're not familiar with that, check out Amazon Associate so that you can sign up for that. I think it takes about 10 days for you to get approved. So jump on this right now if you plan to do this training sometime this month or next month or whenever you want to. Just make sure if you want to get some commission, some extra pay, like I like to call that like really the sleep coin part of it, which is commission pay, sign up for Amazon Associate, and then you can actually put your links inside of this document, okay? All right. So you also get the 226 word sales copy. This is a sales copy that you can use to actually sell this masterclass. So I've written it all out. You can use it in bits and pieces. You can use it in your social media posts. You can use it in email. You can use it on your sales page. If you have a shopping cart somewhere that you sell these digital items, this is the copy that you can use. You can just copy and paste it right into there. All of it's written out for you. All right. So you also get this beautiful designed lead magnet / ebook. Okay. So this is an 11-page professionally designed lead magnet / ebook, however you want to. So you can use this ebook as a lead magnet to get emails, because we always need to be building our list. Or you can also use it as an ebook that you can actually sell as a low-dollar item. So this one, this ebook is the quick start guide to how to host a virtual summit. And so all you have to do is drop your own pictures in here. There's some call to actions. There's an area that you can put your picture here. There's a call to action button. And then you can just put your name and your website and you're good to go. Save it as a PDF and you're good to go. Okay, awesome. All right. And so you also have the Done For You marketing content, which includes 4 content articles as well as 4 social media graphics. Now, the 4 content articles can be used on your blog posts. They can be used as social media long posts. So you guys know that I love long posts on social media so that you can actually just copy this, pop this into your social media, use one of these graphics as you like, or you can use a photo or something like a style photo or a photo of yourself. But social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter has a short version, but LinkedIn definitely, and Facebook, and Instagram loves long content. So you can use these articles as your long content posts. You can also use it as video content. So if you are doing a weekly video, which I strongly encourage you because video is still popping, right? You can use these articles as the content for your videos. Now, some of you also have podcasts, so you can actually use these articles as podcast content as well. And all you have to do is read right off of it. Really easy peasy, right? And you now have content for your podcast. So these are 4 articles that are included in the Done For You packet, right? You also get 4 beautifully designed graphics that go along with the content that are also done in Canva. So if you need them to be edited, if you want to change them, if you want to put them in your brand color, if you want to put your website, if you want to change the images, all of that can be done because these graphics are done inside of Canva, as well as the articles are written in Microsoft Word, so you can change them and adapt those as well. Okay, so let's go on to the next thing. My favorite thing is your Done For You marketing content calendar. This is a 4-week calendar that includes the name of the article. So you're going to see the name of the articles that we just talked about recently. You're going to see the graphic, and you're going to see social media content. This is a fill in the blank content that you can use, right? So everything that's in a different color, like this purple looking color, you put your own wording there, and everything else can be fill in the blank. So if you use this for week 1, here's the article that you can post, or you can do a video on. Here's the graphic that you can post later on in the week. So if you do the article, if you share the article on your blog, that could be done on Wednesday. This is a graphic that you can post on Wednesday. And then this can be a social media post with a picture of yourself that you can share on Friday, right? So you've got 3 pieces of content that is already done for you that you can share for that week. And then you got week 2, week 3, and week 4. So you've got a whole 30 days worth of content that you can share for the month, right? So no more struggling on what you should post and how you should post it, which is what I like. I like to make things very simple. That's the reason why this is called Coaching Business Simplified, to make everything simple. All right. So that is this month's Done For You Coaching Bundle, called the Virtual Summits for Beginners. This is 20 secrets on how you can host and plan and launch a virtual summit for your business. Guys, if I have not said this, I'm going to say this again. This masterclass right here is phenomenal for my business coaches. This is something that your clients are going to want to use. Although we are probably, I'm not going to say we're in the last leg of the COVID. We're really not. I mean, this is the way life is going to be. We're going to be seeing a lot more summits pop up. Okay. 1, they're cost efficient, right? 2, you don't have to worry about, we're keeping this social distance. And 3, everyone doesn't have a different, don't have big budgets, right? And so people probably will pay for a virtual conference to attend, then probably actually get on the plane and fly. And so your clients are going to want to know how to do this and set this up for their business. For my life coaches, this is great content for you to learn how to use in your business as well. Who wouldn't want a professional development summit as well? So learn how to do it, learn how to set it up, learn how to market it, and so that you can get people onto your summit so that you can bring in extra income and provide extraordinary value as well. All right, guys. So that is this month's Done For You Coaching Bundle, called the Virtual Summit for Beginners. I hope you enjoy it. I am super excited to see how you guys are going to use this in your business. All right. You guys have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.